Alright guys, so today I added a little something to my room. It's nothing special, but it kind of is. I call it the EAS Event Board, or I guess I'll just say Event Board. Now, you're probably wondering, what is this for? It's for the amount of events, or alerts I guess, that I caught in my entire time of having weather radios. From the beginning of July until here, right now. The beginning of January so far. Well, as of for right now, to this day. So starting in the beginning of July, I started weather radio collecting. My very first one was the Midlands WR120 Easy, which still works to this day.
After midnight. Friday, mostly cloudy.
Well, I mean, it's obviously working because that radio is just super popular in Amazon, eBay, and you name it. That radio is just way too popular. Seriously, I'm pretty sure every single EAS fan has this radio. Like, seriously, man, it's just crazy. Like, that radio is just way too popular. But anyways, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the event board that I added. Now, yes, and you're probably wondering, what's the 56? It's the amount of alerts that I caught. So yeah, I have a whole playlist in the little channel thing, I guess. I have a playlist of all the alerts that I caught. Yeah. Now, you're probably wondering, yes, now, there's 38 videos, I believe, in total in the playlist, but the number says 56. So, you're probably wondering, where's the other ones? Well, those were the alerts that I missed, or a few of them were from my montage of EAS Alerts videos, which I only made 2 of them, because, like, again, nothing weather-wise is happening, especially in the winter, because the winter is just very boring. So, and all you see is this. No red lights, yellow lights, nothing. Nothing. That. No event messages. That's all you see out of that.
Looking around.
However, tomorrow is weekly test day, so, I mean, I guess that's something. Stay tuned for that tomorrow at 11 a.m. I hope this time they'll tone the weekly test, unlike last week. Oh god, I don't even want to think about last week, because that was just so frustrating. Anyways, so yeah. So, the other alerts, yeah, missed alerts, or a few of them from my montage of EAS alerts. So, yeah. So that's pretty much all I have to say.